Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic Introduction of Environment. What is environment? The term environment comes from the French word environ. It means everything that surrounds us. The totality of the surroundings conditions for comfortable living of organism. Environment is the area in which we live. What is natural environment? Natural environment is in which an organism lives naturally on the earth. In other words, wildness is called natural environment of the organism. Okay, why we need environment? Environment has played very important role to make able to survive for all biotic and abiotic components in earth. While talking about the advantage of environment, it has much more benefit. Let take the example of benefit of it. We human beings are social animal as well as powerful than other animals on earth. Good environment is good for living things, same as polluted environment is very harmful to living things. We human beings need food to live, air to breathe, water to drink, etc., which are getting from environment. If there were no suitable environment on the earth, then it will be unable for the human to survive on earth. Okay, now types of environment: natural environment and man-made environments. Natural environment, the components of natural environments are air, water, soil, land, radiation, forest, wildlife, flora and fauna, etc. And man-made environment, it includes transportations, housing, agriculture and livestock forms, aquatic forms, industries, dams, energy such as hydrothermal and nuclear energy plants, etc. Okay, and components of environment, these are abiotic component, biotic component, biophysical components and energy components. Abiotic components, the components which surround us, but these are non-living. Abiotic components are non-living chemicals and physical factors in the environment which affects ecosystem. The abiotic components of an ecosystem can be listed through soil, water, air, temperature and sunlight. Okay, biotic components which surround us, what includes living components. Biotic components include producer, consumer and decomposition. And biophysical components, living and non-living components both are, when combined they form biophysical components. It include all the factors that have an influences on the survival, developments and evolution of organism. For examples, these components from marine environments, atmospheric environment and terrestrial environments. Okay, and last one, energy components. It includes solar energy, geochemicals energy, thermal, electric energy and nuclear energy, etc. Common abiotic component: atmosphere, water, air and winds, temperature and sunlight and chemical elements. Atmosphere, the atmosphere of the earth is the envelope which surround us. Animals and other creatures breathe oxygen or filter it from water, and plants grow because of the presence of carbon dioxide. It protects the earth from harmful ultraviolet rays coming from sun. Okay, and second one, water. All living organisms needs some water intake. Water covers 70% of the earth's surface and falls as rain or snow over land. In an environment, the little waters, only organism requiring a small percentage of water can survive. Other organisms thrive in condition with large amount of water, such as marine animals and plants in oceans. Water is essential to survival, but every organism needs of different amounts of water. Okay, next, air or wind. Often biotic factors are affected by other factors. Air or wind is consist of many gases. Some of these gases are essential for living like oxygen and carbon dioxide. The wind speed and direction affected the temperature and humidity of an area. It also carries seeds and aids pollination, spreading lives. Temperature and sunlight. Temperature are the air and water affected animals, plants, and human in ecosystem. All living organisms have a tolerance level of temperature. Example, as a human would die if he stood out in minus 50 degrees centigrade temperatures. Chemical elements act within the environment to impact what type of organism can grow in the area. The chemical composition, including acidity levels, has a large impacts on the plants in an area. Chemical elements make up all matters, including other abiotic factors. Common biotic factors: producer, consumers, and decomposers. Or producer means autotrophs, consumers means heterotrophs, and decomposers means detrivorous. Okay, thank you.